Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tired of cable bills but still want to enjoy crisp, clear TV? A digital television antenna is the perfect solution for accessing free local channels in high definition. In today's video, we're revealing the best digital TV antennas that deliver excellent reception, easy installation, and great value. All product links are in the description below, so let's tune in and find the perfect antenna for your setup. Number 5. AeroBunny TV Antenna. Tired of paying exorbitant cable bills? The AeroBunny TV antenna is here to save the day. This sleek, black indoor antenna is designed to deliver full HD channels for free, giving you access to popular networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and PBS without the monthly fees. Whether you're a sports enthusiast, a news buff, or just love binge-watching your favorite shows, this antenna is your ticket to endless entertainment. Why you'll love it? Television-free local channels. Say goodbye to expensive cable subscriptions. The AeroBunny TV antenna lets you enjoy full HD channels in 4K, 1080p, and other digital formats, completely free of charge. No more missing out on your favorite shows or sports games. Television long-range reception. Equipped with an upgraded smart IC chip, this antenna offers 360 degrees reception and filters out cellular and FM interference, ensuring a crystal clear picture and high-quality sound. Whether you're in an urban area or farther from broadcast towers, you'll enjoy reliable signal reception. Number 4. UGrease TV Antenna. If you're ready to cut the cord and embrace free, high-quality TV, the UGrease TV antenna is your ultimate solution. With an impressive 1200+ mile range and 360 degrees signal reception, this indoor antenna is designed to deliver 4K, 1080p, and 720p HD channels without the monthly fees. Whether you're watching on a smart TV or an older model, this antenna ensures you never miss a moment of your favorite shows, sports, or news. Why you'll love it? Satellite Antenna Advanced 2025 Signal Amplifier. Equipped with a cutting-edge amplifier and signal booster, this antenna reduces interference and ensures consistent, high-quality reception. Enjoy crystal-clear 4K and HD channels with vibrant colors and immersive audio. Satellite Antenna Free Local Channels. No monthly fees. Say goodbye to expensive cable bills. The UGrease TV antenna gives you access to popular networks like NBC, CBS, Fox, PBS, and more, completely free of charge. It's perfect for both smart TVs and older HDTV-ready models. Satellite antenna wide coverage with 360 degrees reception. Number 3. HIT TV Antenna. If you're ready to ditch cable bills and embrace free, high-quality TV, the HIT TV antenna is here to make it happen. This compact, black indoor antenna is a powerhouse of performance, delivering 4K and 1080p full HD channels without the monthly fees. With its strong magnetic base and omnidirectional reception, this antenna is designed for hassle-free installation and crystal-clear viewing. Why you'll love it? Satellite antenna never pay a monthly bill again. Say goodbye to expensive cable subscriptions. The HIT TV antenna lets you access local HDTV channels for free, including popular networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and more. Enjoy your favorite shows, sports, and news without breaking the bank. Satellite Antenna Cutting-Edge Technology. Built with the latest eco-friendly flame-retardant double PC soft material, this antenna is not only durable but also moisture and lightning resistant. It's designed to last, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. Satellite Antenna Omnidirectional Reception and Magnetic Base. No matter where you place it, on your TV stand, table, or even a metal surface, this antenna delivers 360 degrees reception for optimal signal strength. The strong magnetic base makes installation a breeze, allowing you to position it for the best possible reception. Satellite Antenna Compact and Discreet Design. Don't let its small size fool you. This antenna is a powerhouse in a compact package. Its sleek, unobtrusive design blends seamlessly into any room. Number 2. KVE TV Antenna. Tired of paying sky-high cable bills? The KVE TV antenna is here to revolutionize your TV experience. This sleek, black indoor-outdoor antenna is designed to deliver 4K UHD and 1080p quality for free, giving you access to all your favorite local channels without the monthly fees. Whether you're a sports fanatic, a news junkie, or just love binge-watching sitcoms, this antenna is your ticket to endless entertainment. Why you'll love it? Television zero-cost 4K UHD channels. Say goodbye to expensive cable subscriptions. The HDTV antenna lets you enjoy major networks like CBS, ABC, Fox, NBC, PBS, and more, completely free of charge. With support for 4K, 1080p, and other digital formats, you'll experience stunning picture quality that brings your favorite shows to life. Television long-distance reception. Thanks to its powerful signal booster and 360 degrees reception range, this antenna can pick up signals from over 650 miles away. Whether you're using it indoors or outdoors, you'll enjoy crystal-clear channels, making it perfect for family movie nights, camping trips, or outdoor gatherings. Television premium, durable design. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this antenna is both stylish and built to last. Its magnetic base allows for easy installation on most metal surfaces, and its waterproof, weatherproof design ensures it can withstand rain, snow, and even hail. Plus, its compact size means it blends seamlessly into any environment. Television quick and easy setup. Setting up the HDTV antenna is a breeze. The included 16.5-foot premium copper cable gives you plenty of flexibility to position it for optimal signal reception. Simply connect it to your TV's cable/NTIN port. Number 1. HDTV antenna. Say goodbye to hefty cable bills and hello to crystal-clear, free local channels with the HDTV antenna. This sleek, gray indoor-outdoor antenna is a game-changer for anyone looking to cut the cord without sacrificing quality. With a jaw-dropping 1,200-plus mile reception range, this antenna is designed to bring you closer to the shows, sports, and news you love, without the hassle or cost of traditional cable. Why you'll love it? Globe showing America's free local channels galore. Tired of missing out on your favorite shows or sports games? The HDTV antenna lets you access popular channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and more, absolutely free. Whether you're catching up on the latest sitcoms, staying informed with news, or entertaining the kids with children's programs, this antenna has you covered. Just scan for channels in your area, and you're good to go. Globe showing America's unbeatable signal strength. Equipped with the latest digital signal processing chip and a built-in signal booster, this antenna delivers a 360 degrees reception range that ensures you get the clearest picture possible. Even if you're miles away from the broadcast tower, you'll enjoy HD, 4K, and even 8K quality without pixelation or interference.